Okay, let's just proceed to the second topic, which is about division of monomials. We already know that monomial has only one term, which includes the coefficient, the variables, and the degree. So sometimes we cannot see a degree. Because of it, we're going to consider it as your variable just only have 1 degree. Okay, so if you cannot see a number written on the top or the superscript of a variable, so it is always considered as one. Okay, let's just start doing divisions of polynomials. Okay, when solving or when dividing polynomials into another polynomial, the first thing to do is just locate your coefficient. So where is your coefficient here? The coefficients are 20 and 4. So you need to divide the coefficient. So 20 divided 4, the answer is 5, right? Okay. Next, after having or after performing the divisions of the coefficients, you need to take the variables. So which one? We have two variables here, the x, variable x and variable y. So you need to take the first variable. Okay? So the first variable is x to the 7th power x to the x squared. Okay? So in this case, when you're going to divide a variable, you need to look at the degree. Okay, it's the power of your variable. So on your first x, or the first term, you have x to the 7th power. So the degree is 7, or power of 7. How about your second term? Your second term is x squared. So the power or the degree is 2. So in this case, when you're going to define a particular variable, you need to look or you need to keep an eye on your degree. So 7, and then you're going to subtract it. Because as you still remember, when you're going to multiply a variable, you need to add the degree. Okay, but here, because it's the opposite of multiplication, it's division already. So we're going to do the opposite thing also of the process. So if we're adding in the multiplication and the division, we need to subtract. So 7 minus 2, I'm sorry, I'm going to use the black marker. 7 minus 2, the answer is 5. So that means 5. So that means x to the 5th power. Okay? You're just going to take the degree, subtract it, maintain your variable. Okay, let's just proceed to the second variable, which is, what is it? Y. Okay? So in this case, you have y to the 6th power, and then y to the 5th power. So again, the same process because you are dividing terms. You have the same variable. So what are you going to do is just to get the degree. You have the degree of 6. You subtract it with the second degree of your y, which is 5. So you've got 1 is equals to 1. 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. So in this case, your answer is y. Okay, because this is 1, you don't need to put it there. You're just going to leave it blank. So your final answer is, you put together the coefficient and the two variables. So the final answer is 5 x to the 5th power y. Okay, that will be your final answer.